Discovering Hidden Gems in Los Angeles. Join me as I challenge myself to experience Los Angeles in a completely new way. No tourist spots, just hidden gems and local favorites. Los Angeles, a city that's often misunderstood, where the allure of Hollywood glamour and sun-kissed beaches can overshadow the hidden gems that make this city truly special. I'm excited to take you on a journey that goes beyond the typical tourist traps and dives into the authentic experiences that will make you fall in love with LA. When we think of LA, we often think of traffic, crowds, and long lines at popular attractions. We've all been there, right? It's easy to get caught up in the tourist bubble and miss out on the real deal. But what if I told you that there's so much more to LA than Universal Studios and the Walk of Fame? What if I told you that the real magic happens in the neighborhoods, eateries, and hidden spots that most tourists never get to experience? The thing is, most of us approach LA in a very superficial way. We hit up the big attractions, take some Instagram-worthy photos, and call it a day. But that's not really experiencing LA, is it? I mean, think about it. When was the last time you stumbled upon a local eatery that served the most incredible food you've ever had? Or discovered a street art alley that blew your mind? Those are the moments that make travel truly unforgettable, and that's exactly what I'm on a mission to uncover. LA is a city that's full of surprises, and if you're willing to venture off the beaten path, you'll be rewarded with a cultural experience like no other. From the vibrant street art in the Arts District to the mouth-watering tacos in East LA, every neighborhood has its own unique flavor and charm. And let me tell you, once you scratch beneath the surface, you'll realize that LA is so much more than just a city, it's a state of mind. As I made my way through the city, I stumbled upon this incredible little spot in Echo Park. It was a small, unassuming cafe that served the most delicious breakfast burritos I've ever had. The vibe was chill, the people were friendly, and the food was insane. It was one of those moments where I felt like I'd finally discovered the real LA. And it got me thinking, what other hidden gems are out there waiting to be uncovered? One of the most memorable experiences I had was visiting the Venice canals. It was like stepping into a whole different world. The colorful houses, the tranquil waterways, and the laid-back vibe all came together to create this sense of community and connection. And the best part? It was nowhere near as crowded as the Venice Beach boardwalk. It was one of those moments where I felt like I'd stumbled upon a secret that most tourists never get to experience. As I reflect on my journey through LA, I'm reminded that the best experiences are often the ones that aren't in the guidebook. They're the ones that require a little effort, a little curiosity, and a willingness to take the road less traveled. So, if you're looking for a more authentic LA experience, I encourage you to ditch the tourist traps and seek out the hidden gems. Your Instagram feed might not be as flashy, but your heart and soul will thank you. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the hidden LA. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you've got a favorite LA spot that you think I should check out, let me know in the comments below.